Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ni walulumilia kana ngwatani wake uteti ya Azimio One Kenya ila matumia kumanda kipela cha Usumbi na Raila Odinga onyupanini munene mubitu ni akwiye byoitina wa ODM wiki sahi ya wiwano na kuthukuma na serikali mwambioni wa mubitu. Kalonzo Musyoka siaka ane na wu ila mweni wandai ya chathini cha amemba chamani cha kila mwaka cha Umoja Summit Party aiweta kana Wiper yende kumanda anyanya na sabali ya kumbatanga Musumbi Dr. William Ruto kumakibelani mwakani wa nkilile miongweli na muonza ungameka onabanini Benjamin.
Kalonzo vikite kumanoni the Umoja Summit Party nolumilili tina wa ODM kulika mutwano na UDA usunu wai muthia wa Azimio na Wiper the uleini savalini mwenene ina kello cha kumeno cha musi President William Ruto unyuvanini mwenene wa mwaka wa nkilile na miongweli na muonza.
When our friends in ODM openly signed agreement with Kenya Kwanza outside Kenyatta Conference Center, in my view, that marked the end of Azimio. So we have to be realistic. We have to be realistic because Wiper Democratic Movement cannot remain alone in Azimio. So this is a statement of fact.
Kalonzo weto netina wa kwithwa mwikianisi wa ndeto wa mbiyo kuhusiwa katika wa Wiper anyanyamayo na chama cha ODM wende iza itikila kwikonya kinene ni kicha mpumano na ngimano ena mutongoi wa ODM Raila Odinga.
We live in this country. We have developed personal relationships and respect for each other. Nobody will ever hear me attacking Raila Odinga because that is not my DNA. That's not my DNA. Nobody will hear me attacking. So, because of the history, the long history, but we will respect each other's choices.
Inge novuthi sendambuka ya President William Ruto kunduko kanyo ila chumani ki ifikie lembetani yake imani iyo weta president ni wemeto ni kulumwa ni ndi ofisine na kuthukuma mwenembe kwa kuendea kwikonya na utetu watene utena vaita kwa mwenembe.
A whole president is supposed to be sitting in State House and working, takes state money from state coffers to go and bribe people everywhere. And they believe, for example, because I'm from the mountain, we've asked our people, go out, show respect, get much more. Give even them the indication that they control the mountain, which they don't, I can tell you. And when we move out there will be no William Ruto and Kenya Kwanza in the mountain and in a lot of places in this country.
Kalonzo nwaweta musukumo wa kumunu cha musi President William Ruto wikila kona na mwakani wa ngiri na miongoni na muonza kiutani kikethi wa kinene kitaungamika ni mundu wana wiva.
I'm told the Western region is boiling. In fact, Western region is boiling. Western, oye! Are you boiling? For change, for redemption, for liberation. Kenya will never be led by thieves anymore. Are you ready? This is the moment. Grab the moment and act. Your voice, your power. Your voice, your power. If you keep quiet, then even that DNA slogan, you will not live it. So we're here to tell you, welcome on board.
Vilingo wa mavo kumavaka untini lovi nyenito wa Benjamin na Mwakam.